How to send a CV via email using a phone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can send a CV via email using a phone. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's dive right in. First step that you will need to take is make sure that you have your CV available, and then after you can just open up your mail. Go to Gmail, make sure you're logged in into your account, and now you can type start typing your email. I'll just tap on this compose option here, and right here you can find who you want to send it to. After you do that, write a subject. If it's a job application, write a job application. Make sure that uh, just make sure that your subject is really not it's really catchy. If you forget to write your subject, your mail might just even go to spam. And after you do that, you can then head over to this section where you can start writing with the body. Then finally, after you're done, anyone you want to now attach your resume or CV, tap on this icon right here. This section should open up. You'll get four options. Select files, or if you have your email, I mean your CV on your drive, you can tap on drive. I'll just tap on files, and it should open up my files right from here. Search for the resume, then tap on the open button. After you find resume, select it, and then tap on open. And there you go, you just attach the CV there. You can open it up as well, and then finally send it. And it's that simple to send a CV via email using your phone. Thanks for watching. That is it for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.